I am Carlo Oli, and I've had the privilege of being part of the Euro MTF story since day one. In 2005, we started with a blank page and a bold idea: to build a new type of market. Even ahead of MiFID I, we became the first exchange in Europe to launch a multilateral trading facility, not just for trading, but also for listing. We created the Euro MTF to give issuers a real alternative to the newly introduced regulated markets, in particular to non-European issuers, SMEs and high-yield bond issuers. What truly sets the Euro MTF apart is that it offers an efficient and adaptable framework while maintaining high standards under well-structured rules and regulations. We were international from day one. The first listings on the Euro MTF were Indian GDRs. Soon after, other instrument types that were too complex or not adapted to the regulated markets joined the MTF. And we saw a surge in securitizations, structured products and high-yield bonds. Less than 1 year after we created the Euro MTF, we celebrated our 1000th listed security, and it was clear that the Euro MTF met a real market need. The Euro MTF also proved resilient in times of crisis. In fact, during the 2008 financial crisis, it maintained its position as a stable and reliable marketplace, and demand kept growing. Over the years, the Euro MTF has evolved with the needs of the market, and the numbers really do speak for themselves. We've seen strong growth from both emerging and developed markets, and we've supported hundreds of issuers in their cross-border listings. More importantly, the Euro MTF has also supported the growth of sustainable finance by becoming one of the key channels to access the Luxembourg Green Exchange. Of course, Euro MTF is not only about listing, it's also about trading. All securities on the Euro MTF are available for trading, with many also accessible to retail investors via Lux Prime, our retail-sized bond trading window. Throughout its 20 years, the Euro MTF has kept innovating in the market, notably by introducing new currencies, new instrument types, and by offering new listing solutions. We launched a professional segment dedicated to qualified investors. We introduced FastLane to simplify the listing process for SSA issuers and for listed corporations. And recently, we launched EM3S, a new segment for highly specialist securities targeting professional investors. The Euro MTF was once a bold idea, but today it is a globally recognized partner in international capital markets. We have earned the trust of international issuers and investors, establishing the Euro MTF as a consistently reliable and respected market. 20 years of Euro MTF, and we're just getting started.
As listing agent acting for multiple international issuers, at BIL we identified 4 main needs that have to be addressed: investor confidence, flexibility, speed and cost efficiency. Euro MTF helps with all 4 of them.
IFFIm is a regular issuer in global debt capital markets, and we front-load sovereign donors' pledges to provide immediate funding for Gavi's crucial vaccination programs. Listing and reporting through the Euro MTF has been highly efficient for us and has reinforced investor confidence in the accessibility of information on IFFIm's finances and on the market liquidity of its vaccine bonds. This is helping us get the best value for our donors' public capital.
For Uruguay, forging connection and building confidence with the international investor is paramount, based on an unwavering commitment to transparency and sustainability. The Euro MTF emerged as the ideal platform for our bond listing, offering a seamless blend of efficiency, transparency, and global reach. This choice has reinforced Uruguay's credibility and accessibility, solidifying our position as a trusted and forward-thinking partner in our financial markets.